I've been a practicing attorney for 24 years. I have criminal, civil, and judicial experience. I also have administrative experience. I have an MBA, and I was a magistrate and an acting judge in Berea Municipal Court for about 7 years prior to my current practice where I am working for the Chapter 13 trustee. I decided to run for judge because I have been practicing for over 24 years, and I have worked in over a dozen municipal courts. And practicing in over a dozen municipal courts and being a judicial officer in Berea Municipal Court, I recognize that changes need to be made. I want to bring mental health services, substance abuse services, and I want to bring education and transparency to the court. Those are the main changes I want to bring, and I believe if I'm elected, I will be able to bring those changes to the court with my experience. Prior to being appointed as a magistrate by Judge Comstock in Berea Municipal Court, I took the judge to the Court of Appeals and had him reversed on abuse of discretion, which basically is where the judge is overturned for basically not following the law. And to date, their probation department has changed their policies based on the decision that came down from the Court of Appeals on a decision that I took to court. One, I hope to get better services to the defendants that are coming before the court. I hope to bring in mental health services and substance abuse services. I hope to work with other municipal court judges also to bring services so that we can pool our resources so that it doesn't cost the communities more money. I also hope to bring education and transparency, and I believe those two things come together. I believe that educating the public and the parties that come before the court will help bring transparency to the court. And so I want to bring, through our probation department, for example, I want to track and make sure that what we're doing through the court is that we're treating everybody equally. I also want to make sure that our staff is adequately trained. I want to make sure that the attorneys that are handling the indigent cases, that they're adequately vetted so that the transparency is there and that everybody feels like they're getting their day in court.